Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove the battery from a Volvo XC60. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative terminal first. Use a 10mm socket to loosen clamp bolts and remove the battery hold down. Note any sensor plugs and unplug them carefully. Keep hardware together in a labeled container and lift the battery straight up, keeping it upright to avoid spills or damage. Get your 10mm socket, ratchet, extension, pliers, and gloves ready before you start. Open the hood and locate the battery cover or bracket and remove any plastic trim first. Disconnect the negative cable, then the positive, and carefully unplug any battery sensor connectors. Remove the hold-down clamp and lift the battery straight up, keeping it upright and stable. Place the battery on an acid-resistant surface and clean any corrosion from terminals. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content like this. Quick recommendation: pick up some leak-proof containers to keep bolts, clips, and small parts tidy when you remove a battery. They save time and prevent spills. I like these containers for garage projects, and they make cleanup easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After loosening clamps and unplugging sensors, use both hands to lift the battery straight up and out of the tray. Keep the battery upright and set it on an acid-resistant mat or tray. Place all bolts, brackets, and clips into a labeled container so reassembly is easy. If you encounter tight corrosion, apply a suitable cleaner and let it soak before prying. Dispose or recycle the old battery at a proper facility or retailer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.